Yo, my dudes, like with everything in life, I think it's really important for you to stay consistent as possible because this shit ain't easy, and you're probably making slow progress on your bodies. You're probably making slow progress on your business. You're probably making slow progress in your career progression. It's all slow progress. None of this stuff happens too fast or too quick. And I think we live in a society now that expects it all to happen to you really quickly. You want to get rich quick. You want to have the body quick. The only key here is to remain on your goals and to realize that it's worth it. What you're trying to do is definitely worth it. You're trying to have a good body. You're trying to achieve financial freedom. You're trying to be happy. You're trying to find a good woman. You're trying to sleep with multiple women. Whatever it is you're trying to do, you're trying to find good people around you. This shit all takes a lot of time. It really does. It takes a lot of time. And when I look back and realize the only reason I have the things I have now is because of the time that I put into it and the consistency. The consistency with training my body, the consistency with, learning how to be confident and learning how to be charismatic and stopping girls on the street and speaking to them there and whatever it might be, just like constantly going for what you want and really believing that you're actually going to make it work. And career progression is slow and investments grow slowly and buying your first house it's all of this takes a lot of time. And it's stressful, it's tough. Like I get pissed off that I'm not moving as fast as I thought I would move. I mean, I've made a shitload of videos. I make videos almost every day, not exactly every day. And some of them really struggle for the views, but that's not going to stop me. It's really not going to stop me. And I think that's why I'm going to end up being successful on social media, because I'm literally not going to stop posting. I don't care what people think. I literally don't give a shit. You'll get like these negative comments, you'll get this, you'll get a lot of pushback. You'll be in the gym, you'll see other people that look better than you, you'll get rejected by women, you'll fail your business, you won't get that promotion because someone else beat you to it who's just come into the company recently. All this shit is going to happen to you. And the key is to just keep going. You keep your head up. They say, oh, get your head down and keep going. No, you keep your head up, you stay confident, and you're like, I will keep progressing. I will keep trying. I will keep trying to get the things that I want to get. The moment you stop, the moment you give up is the moment you lose. And so if I stopped posting on social media, if I, stopped trying to build my new asset management company, if I stopped going to the gym, if I was like, oh, girls are a nightmare, I'm just not going to speak to girls anymore, I'm just going to take a massive break. I don't think that's the answer. I really think you want to be pushing through, and obviously you need to have a plan, of course. Every man needs to have a plan, definitely, and I have a plan, and so should you. If you have no plan, that's the first thing you're doing wrong, right? You need to have the plan, and you need to, it's easy to say stick with it, but make sure you're not falling off the path too often. Like, okay, if you don't I haven't been to the gym in 5-6 days. Okay, no problem. I'm going to get back into a home workout today before I fly off to Cyprus on Monday. But you'll see with my posts, at least I'm staying consistent. At least I will keep fucking going until the message gets out there. And I won't stop, and I don't care. Even if my videos will get one view, I have to keep going. It's all part of building that mental resilience, that mental barrier. It's just literally training. I really admire people who keep going, even though they might not be destined for it. Of course, at times you probably have to realize, like, maybe you're a shit singer and you should stop singing. Maybe I'm not going to explode on social media, so maybe I shouldn't put so much effort into it, which is why I'm now putting more effort into my asset management firm that I'm building with one of my new business partners and co-investors. So I'm putting more effort into that because I know that's going to pay me. Whereas I'm still putting some effort into content, but I'm not putting all 100% efforts in, because I'm like, well, hold on, maybe, I'm not going to bank shitloads of money from this. Maybe this isn't exactly my path, but I'm going to keep going and keep trying because I have a why. My why is to help people, is to improve people's lives, and I get private messages about the fact I'm doing that. So I think people will watch you in silence. I think don't expect praise from the outside, right? You just got to praise yourself. Don't expect the praise from the outside. Don't expect the external validation. Just keep going. It will be worth it one day. Trust me, it will be worth it. It really will be. I hope you keep going with your endeavors. I will certainly keep going with mine. I'm successful already, and that's how I feel. And you're also successful already too. It's just your perspective and the way you view life. Because social media's fucked us up, making us think we need to drive Ferraris and live in massive villas in Dubai. That's not the answer for everyone. Not everyone's going to have that in this world. Happiness And I was listening to Sadhguru last night, who I absolutely love, by the way. And that kind of spiritual presence and understanding and happiness and contentness and fulfillment, that is absolutely gold. So that you want to be content and happy while continuing to move forward and continue to progress, right? So please don't give up, and let's keep going.